we discuss rank correlations. Rank correlations. What is rank correlations? Rank correlation coefficient measures the degree of similarity between two ranking. Rank correlation coefficient measures the degree of similarity between two ranking. Okay. So it is denoted by, so rank correlation coefficient is denoted by RS, and it is defined by 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1, where di is the difference between two rank and n is the number of data. This is the formula of rank correlation coefficient for not repeated rank. Okay, this is the formula for not repeated rank. So formula for not repeated rank is 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1 when these rank are not tied. Okay, this is the formula for when rank are not tied. Okay, if RS takes value plus 1, then it's called perfect positive association of ranks. If RS takes value plus 1, then it's called perfect positive association of ranks. If RS takes value 0, then it's called no association of ranks. If RS takes value minus 1, that is called perfect negative association of ranks. Okay, this is the formula for when these rank are not tied, and this is the RS denoted rank correlation coefficient. Okay, so rank correlation coefficient is denoted by RS, and this is the formula of RS for when rank are not tied. Okay, if the value of RS closer to 0, if value of RS closer to 0, then it is called weaker association between the ranks. If value of RS is closer to 0, then it is called weaker association between ranks. Clear? So this is the formula. Please remember this formula. For not repeated ranks, the rank correlation coefficient is RS equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1, where di is the difference between two rank and n is the number of data. Okay, now we discuss a problem. The problem is the score for 10 students in English and math are follows. Okay, the scores for 10 students in English and maths are follows. Let us denote English bx and math by. Okay, so 56, 75, 45, 71, 62, 64, 58, 80, 76, 61, and maths y 66, 70, 40, 60, 65, 56, 59, 77, 67, 63. Okay, compute the rank correlation coefficients. Okay, so question is find rank correlation coefficient. Okay, this means suppose one student scored 56 in English and 66 in mathematics, and another student scored 75 in English, 70 in mathematics, another student scored 45 in English, 40 in mathematics. Okay, so on. So compute rank correlation coefficient. Let us draw a table. This. So this is English, this is X, mathematics, this is Y. So this is 56, 75, 45, 71, 62, 64, 58, 80, 76, 71. Okay, and sorry, 76, 61, mistake, 61. Okay, this is 66, this is 70, this is 40, this is 60, this is 65, this is 56, this is 59, 77, 67, 63. Okay, let us denote Rx be the rank of x. So Rx be the rank of x. This is x. Here Tx maximum value is 80. So maximum value of x is 80. So this is 1. Okay. Second maximum value is 76. So this is 2. So rank of x means here x takes value 80. Highest maximum value is 80. So this is 1. Second highest is 76. This is 2. Okay. So this is third. This is 3. We define rank. So this is third highest. So fourth highest is 71. So this is 4. Okay, very easy. 64 is the fifth highest. So this is fifth. 62 is sixth highest. This is sixth. Okay. 61 is the seventh highest. This is 7. And 50 is the eighth highest. And 56 is the ninth highest. And this is 10th highest. Okay. Similarly, Ry is the rank of y. So this is y. So here y takes maximum value 77. So this is 1. And second highest is 70. This is 2. Okay. Third highest is 67. This is 3. Fourth highest is 66. This is 4th. And fifth highest is 65. This is 5th. Clear? Sixth highest is 63. This is 6th. Okay. Seventh highest is 60. This is 7. Eighth highest is 59. This is 8. Okay. So ninth highest is this is 9, 56. This is ninth highest. And 10th highest is 40. Okay. So now D is the difference between two ranks. So Rx minus Ry. If we difference between two numbers, we get this is 5, this is 1, this is 0, this is minus 3. Okay. This is 1, this is minus 4, this is 0, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is 1. And now D square. So D square equal to 25. 5 square means 25. 1, 0, 9, 1, 16, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now we find summation di square. So di square. If we sum this number, we get di square means 25 plus 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. We get summation is 54. Okay. Here n is number of data. Here is n is number of data. Here number of data is 10. So number of data is 10. Okay. So rank correlation coefficient is, the formula of rank correlation coefficient is Rs. Rs is the, we denote Rs is the rank correlation coefficient. Okay. So formula of rank correlation is 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n into n square minus 1. Okay. Here 1 minus 6 into di square means 54. Here n is 10. So 10 into 10 square minus 1. So after calculation we get this is the value of Rs is 0.67. Okay. Since here Rs positive, so there is a strong positive relation between two ranks. Okay. So here Rs is positive. There is a strong positive relation between two ranks. Okay. So there is two strong positive relation between, since RS be positive, so there exists a strong positive relationship between the rank individual obtained in the mathematics and English exam. Obtained in the math and English exam. Okay. So here RS takes value positive, so R is positive. So there is a strong positive relation between rank individual obtained in the mathematics and English exams. Okay. So this is the required result. Clear?